Also wanted to add in, while waiting on the wife and the kids to get ready to head out to the track, I decided I was going to cover up the hole where the shift linkage comes up through the floor using an old license plate, and in doing so I drilled a hole through one of the fuel lines using a self-tapping screw. But thankfully I got it fixed up in time to head out to the track. Alright guys, first test of the night. It's going to be with no nitrous. Not sure if you can hear the excitement in my voice as I'm coming off the track, but that run had me pretty excited that we decided that we were going to send the 150 shot directly off the line. So here's what happens when that took place. As you can tell, the tires were nice and sticky.
Did it?
Things that be broken.
The diff?
I saw sparks fly out.
That was definitely the diff. I nailed it right on the line too. I knew it was gonna happen. Alright, let's
Hey, whenever it tears up again, you need to get off the side of the track.
pull it over to the side.
Yeah.
Let me put it out of gear. And get in it.
Yeah, I told you it was an electric motor. One of the SC400 motors, or 300.
It came out of LS400.
Oh, well, so there you go. That's what we were all talking about. I was like, it's a damn Lexus motor.
It didn't like the 150 off of the line.
No. It liked it after 60 foot, but not off the line there. Whatever broke, it threw sparks. So.
That was diff. If not the drive shaft again.
Axle sounds good.
It's an axle.
Sound good.
Damn. Did it hold park? Yeah, it's holding park. Nah, we're good. I
I got
appreciate it.
some trying to get rid of.
No, well, I can try. Let's see. It's in park, so. Yeah, see what it does in reverse. Just put it in gear.
See if it'll move, yeah. I mean, no,
Yeah, it goes into reverse. Bet we have no forward gears.
and I can look at one of them.
Yeah, look. I have reverse. That's reverse.
Let me see what's moving.
That's drive. That's reverse. I bet the drive shaft's loose. I don't know, that's weird though. Did they fuck the spline up? I don't know. Something tells me the fucking spline is dead.
Well, we need to roll it back and just let it idle and roll back and see if it skips or jumps or anything.
Well, we're gonna have to push it down there to the hill to do that.
Huh?
Push it down there. Or just push it right here. What do you mean? Just put it in gear and let it roll?
Yeah, just turn it on and fucking put it in reverse and just slowly let it. Don't put any power to it. Just let it pull itself. Now just let off the brake and let it roll.
Watch your hands on this side. Bring that down here.
Is it stopping rolling? Or are you on the
That's
brake?
my foot.
Okay.
I'm stopping it. I bet it's fun. I bet it just jumped the gear.
It might have chipped a gear, or it may have fucking fucked those splines, but how hard did it pull?
Dude, it fucking
Was it about to go?
Dude, it was-
Because I was looking at the back end, and then as soon as you went, I saw the sparks fly out, and that's what I focused on at the
Yeah.
bottom of the car. but
No,
didn't
dude,
seem
it
to
was
come
ready
out.
to go, and then it just went wham!
Wham!
I was like, oh.
Maybe we should do like a 75 shot out of the hole,
With a 150
minute.
shot at the 160 foot.
and then once we get it moved and hooked up, just
200.
well, see why not? The motor can handle 150, but the drive line can't.
Yeah.
Hell, what do you expect? I think we did pretty damn good.
I'm glad I got that on video. Well, the 150 shot didn't hold on the launch. Alright, so after this weekend's fun, I finally got the car back to the house, got it up on jack stands, and we have figured it out. It is the Diff, as you can see when you turn the wheels. As Jordan over there is turning the other wheel. This one is not moving. It is supposed to be a welded Diff, as me and Tommy did weld it. But with car and gear, it does wonderful things. So this side of it, you can really tell it gets stuck. It's really fucked. Same thing over here. This one, it just free spins, and you can feel a tight spot in it. I can get a better view. You can see here. You can see the other wheel's not moving. So we're gonna pull the diff cover off, see how it looks. But I'm sure we're gonna find some really nice chunks of diff material in there, possibly some welds broken loose, and maybe a pinion gone. But I do have parts to replace it with if I don't decide to go with the Ford 8.8. And I haven't spoke much about that. We may plan to do that only because I'm only going to keep destroying this thing, and parts are getting harder to find for this car. So, with that being said, I'm going to pause the video for a moment and crack this Diff open. Alright guys, here we go. We're about to crack it open and see what she's got. Try not to make a mess all over my damn self too. Oh yeah, looks bad already. Oh yeah, looks terrible.
That's awesome.
There's all sorts of metal in here, guys. I don't know if you can see it very well, but that is terrible. Look at the color of that. Nasty.
Well, as you can see, all the teeth are gone. Everything's disappeared. No more welds. All the teeth are toast.